silang present na about cholesterol level.
Oh.
Doon rin pinakita rin niya, kinompare niya ang tocotrienol with some comparative, no, double-blind placebo study, no, for someone who is taking, they get the plasma blood level of the lipids profile ng pasyente, tapos yun sa mga meron at wala, tapos after a certain weeks, no, of study and months, then they compare the two. May significant,
na pagbaba?
decrease,
Oo.
okay,
Dun sa bad cholesterol?
in level,
Oo.
okay, dun sa bad cholesterol. So, parang sinasabi nila, I think that tocotrienol is showing its antioxidant. And also, ang pinakamaganda dito ay yung present ng isang professor ng University sa Malaysia, na sinasabi yung white matter natin sa mga ulo, no? Sometimes, kasi ang ginawa niyang study naman ay kinompare niya yung white matter lesion, no, sa mga tao. Kasi yan yung nasa brain through MRI. So, kinompare niya yung mga sa aging kasi yan eh. So, makikita mo. So, kung may correlation niya na pag ang white matter mo malaki, so it has some cognitive impairment, no? Minsan memory loss, yung mga ganon. So, and some other neurological symptoms. So, pinakita naman niya na nag-improve, no, hindi nag-progress yung white matter, hindi lumaki. So parang ang sinasabi niya, meron siyang may evidence, no, but of course they still have to correlate with other factors. Hindi naman kaagad na pag lumiit okay na, so hindi naman gano'n. Pero
bakit ba nagkakaroon ng white matter doon?
It's part kasi
part of aging?
Yeah, kasi
talaga?
medyo complicated yung mga pag sa neurological system, no, medyo complicated explain, maging technical. But then what's important now is they're saying na everything start on what we eat. So the oil that we use, we have to very particular, diba, yung sa pagluluto lang, yung fry natin, frying oil natin. So we have to be very, watchful. What are the oil that will have less oxidation, mga ganon. So sinasabi niya na yung palm oil naman, hindi lang naman, ito ay ginagamit no, for daily, okay? In your detergent, baking, and in industries, no? So ginagamit siya. Plus, ito nga, sinasabi niya, dun sa palm oil, they can get the tocotrienol. Kasi siya ang pinakamaraming source. And then, ang nakakatuwa dito, meron siyang pinakita, isang speaker, na sinasabi niya na yung gamma tocotrienol can decrease, no, or reduce the chronic UVB, okay, mediated DNA damage sa balat. So, ito kasi yung mga nagkakos, yung mga UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation, yan ang mga nagkakos ng photoaging. So, pinakita niya dito na there is yung conclusion niya dito, kinompare niya, no, after 24 weeks and after 30 weeks, yun, nagkaroon ng topical lang ang application kasi ng tocotrienol niya dito, no. So, nagkaroon ng...
So, sa labas lang ng balat?
Yes.
Hindi niya ininom yung tocotrienols?
Hindi.
Oo.
Okay. So, kinompare lang niya na there's a decrease in all this oxidative product na nakikita sa
yung nagiging
aging.
dahilan ng mga wrinkles, ganyan, tsaka age spots.
Yes. So, sabi niya, this study clearly indicate that the gamma tocotrienol is a superior vitamin E for the prevention of photoaging and photocarcinogenesis. Kasi may sinasabi silang about, di ba, pag prolong ang exposure mo, no, sa araw, it's a radiation kasi, ionizing radiation. So, ang tendency na magkaroon ka ng skin cancer soon, later in life is not impossible, no? So, dito pinakikita niya na with the tocotrienol, it has a protective properties.
Oo, protective from UV radiation na galing sa araw.
Kasi
usually, na pwede rin sa light, ito daw office light, di ba?
Kasi ang radiation, alam mo, minsan nga, if I remember, may mga patient ako nagtatanong, Dok, hindi naman ako kailangan mag-sunblock kasi hindi naman ako nagpapaaraw. Ako, that's true. Ba't kailangan ko pa? Ako, maybe you're half halfly correct, no?
Mm-mm.
Pero our cells, once it's like when it's radiated
Mm-mm.
in the cellular level or molecular level,
Mm-mm.
the cells umiinit, no?
Mm-mm.
May mga damage rin yan.
Mm.
So the damage itself, ang cell may sarili siyang mechanism.
Mm-mm.
She can repair the
Mm-mm.
damage. So kung hindi naman sobrang init, no?
Mm-mm.
She can repair in 1 to 2 weeks, no?
Mm-mm.
Magre-repair yan.
Mm.
So makikita mo ang ganda ulit.
Mm.
So but then if the radiation is too much,
Mm-mm.
mataas ang dose, minsan makikita mo the cell will repair but
Mm-mm.
abnormally.
Mhm.
That's why it become mga cancer cells.
Mhm.
So naiiba kasi yung radiation itself can cause the gene, no, the
Mhm.
chromosome na damage.
So aside from the sun, saan natin nakukuha yung radiation?
Radiation, actually marami, no? Maraming
Mhm.
sources. Even, di ba yung TV?
Oo.
Okay? That's why there's a certain distance.
Oo.
But of course, the ultimate, yung mga high power
Oo,
na,
transmission.
transmission.
Oo,
They
lalo
also
dito sa atin
emit,
meron.
they also emit, no? They also emit. And
Oo.
of course, ang
Cellphone.
that's a good question.
Oo.
Pero wala pa akong alam
Wala
na
conclusive
baka
study kasi,
may alam
no?
kaya,
Oo.
anything, no? I think everything can emit
Mm-mm,
radiation.
Mm-mm.
Pero it's a matter of dose,
Mm-mm.
it's a matter of how frequent is the exposure,
Mhm.
and how good is your cell
Mm-mm.
to repair the damage.
Mhm.
Okay? So yung iba, nagre-repair. So walang
Mhm.
problema. Yung iba naman pag nag-repair, abnormal.
Mm-mm.
So that's why later on, nagkakaroon ng mga skin cancer.
Mm-mm.
Okay? And then yung iba naman,
Mm-mm.
hindi na-repair. Namamatay na yung cells. Okay?
Pero kung kunyari, may tocotrienol silang tinitik, nakakatulong yan para dun sa repair ng
Yeah,
cells.
the tocotrienol kasi because of its, there are 3 band in the side chain,
Oo.
which is the 3-7-11 side chain.
Mm-mm.
These are double band and these are unsaturated.
Mhm.
Meaning, mas effective, mas mabilis ang penetration niya sa
Mhm.
cells.
Mm-mm.
So whatever naman, since di ba sabi natin ang tocotrienol, vitamin E in
Mhm.
general, these are lipid soluble.
Mm-mm.
Within the membrane of the
Mhm.
cell. Di ba
Mhm.
ang cell kasi, imagine mo parang itlog.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? May cover.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Tanggalin mo yung hard shell, no?
Mm.
This is soft, okay? That's a cell membrane.
Mm-mm.
That cell membrane contains a lot of lipids,
Mm-mm.
fats. So kung lipid, anything that is lipid soluble, so pwede pumasok.
Mm-mm.
So that's the reason why ang tocotrienol, mabilis siyang pumasok. For example, pag uminom ka ng tocotrienol
Mm-mm.
ngayon, in 4 hours, wala na yan sa plasma mo.
Mm-mm.
Nasa cells na siya.
Mm.
But
Ang bilis,
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
but if you take the tocopherol, the alpha tocopherol,
Yung isa pa.
according to one of the
Na
speaker,
vitamin E.
it stay in your system
Oo.
21 or 20 to 21 hours.
Ang tagal pala.
Matagal.
Oo, bago
Yes.
pumasok dun sa cells mo.
Yes, yeah. That's why, yun ang sinasabi niya. That's why, according to the speaker,
Mm-mm.
since he would suggest na you can take this kind of lipids, no, like vitamin E tocotrienol twice a day.
Mm-mm.
Kasi mabilis nga siya eh. Once na after 4 hours, you cannot detect it sa plasma, sa
Mm-mm.
blood. So sabi niya, it's safe, okay?
Mm-mm.
In terms of safety naman, wala naman daw siyang na-encounter pa
Mm-mm.
na
Doon sa tocopherol. Okay.
tocotrienol.
Sa tocotrienol. Oo.
But I have some parang stories heard before
Mm-mm.
na there are patients who develop some allergic reaction, parang nagkaka-pimple sila, gano'n.
Oo.
So I don't know but this is when they use the
Tocopherol.
tocopherol, no? So
Oo.
I don't know
Siguro kasi sa tagal nga na nasa body, di ba? Hindi naman pumapasok agad na absorb. So hindi nakakatulong kagad sa katawan yung tocopherol. Tapos synthetic pa yan.
Yeah,
Unlike itong
but of course, I don't
tocotrienols,
know the
natural.
entire story. Baka naman may nakain rin siya, no? Pero that's a good point rin.
Oo,
Pero of
na
course,
pag-aralan,
there has
ano?
something to do siguro because of its presence in the plasma for
Mm-mm.
20 to 21 hours, no?
Mm-mm.
But of course, the story of the patient, hindi ko rin
Mm-mm.
totally alam.
Oo.
Okay.
Anyway, mga